Welcome to the Installation and Assembly Guide for your G6 BodyCompScale by Valhalla Scientific. Please follow these instructions carefully to ensure safe and accurate operation. Before we begin, please review the following important cautions. Your G6 scale arrives securely packed in a single carton. Carefully unpack each component to prevent damage. Avoid using sharp tools that could scratch or harm the parts. Inside the box, you'll find the scale stem and head assembly, the scale base, 4-foot assemblies, lock washers and butterfly nuts, power supply, user manual, all necessary cables for software connection. Step 1. Remove the scale base from the box and install the 4 feet. Step 2. Connect the plug from the stem to the receptacle on the base, ensuring the notches align properly. Step 3. Align the 4 studs from the stem with the holes on the base and insert them. Step 4. Hold the stem and studs in place. Tip the scale to access the bottom of the base. Insert the 4 lock washers and tighten the butterfly nuts securely. Now that your scale is fully assembled, let's connect it to your computer and power it on. First, plug the power supply into a wall outlet, then connect the other end to the scale. Next, take the serial to USB converter cable. Connect the serial end to the scale's serial port and tighten the locking screws to secure it in place. Now, plug the USB end of the cable into an available USB port on your computer. Note, the scale is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. Congratulations! Your scale is now fully assembled and ready to operate. For guidance on software setup, please watch our Scale app installation tutorial video. Thank you.